Hello friends, today in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences 10 words. So let's start. First line, tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. Second line, dog. My dog name is Rocky. Third line, fan. In summer, we always miss the fan. Fourth line, bus. I go to school by bus. Fifth line, copy. This is my copy. Sixth line, family. There are 5 members in my family. Seventh line, pen. This is my pen. Eighth line, shining. The moon is shining. Ninth line, books. I like to read books. Tenth line, red. My favorite colors is red.